Hi, it's Debbie from the Ossining Public Library Children's Room. Welcome back to I Heart Art Junior. This week we're going to learn how to make homemade sidewalk chalk paints. The recipe is really easy. You only need 3 ingredients. And making the sidewalk chalk paint is half the fun. Here's what you'll need: cornstarch, water, and food coloring. That's it. If you don't have food coloring or you would prefer not to use it, you can use natural ingredients to make the color. For instance, if you mash up some blueberries, you'll get blue color. For red, you can use cranberry juice. You get the idea. Step 1. Mix equal parts cornstarch and water in a bowl. Stir until it's mixed thoroughly. If you want to make more than one color, you can either mix it separately in smaller bowls or make one large batch and then divide it into smaller bowls. If you want to start with just a small batch, you can try with just a half a cup of cornstarch and half a cup of water. See how that goes. Step 2. Add food coloring to each bowl. The more color you use, the more vibrant the color will be. So if you want lighter colors, use less food coloring. For darker, more vibrant colors, use more food coloring. Play with it and see what you like. If you find that the cornstarch is still sticking on the bottom of the bowl and not mixing thoroughly, you may have too much, so try adding a little bit of water and trying to get the right consistency so it doesn't lump. Step 3. Go outside and paint. Use your new sidewalk paint and make something beautiful. If you have leftover paint that you want to save, you can keep it in an airtight container, tightly sealed. Just make sure you stir it when it's ready to be used again. And that's it. I'd love to see what you've made. Please send pictures. Email it to us at oplkids@wlsmail.org, or you can post it on our Facebook page. And keep checking our website or sign up for our email blast for up-to-the-minute information about what's going on at the library and all of our programs. See you next week.